Hello guys, today we're playing MM2. We're gonna wait the round to start. It's starting guys. I'm innocent guys. I'm gonna go in the quiet place, which is the fireplace. Someone got killed guys. Who is the victim? Let's hide here. No one can find us. Someone got killed. Is she the maid? I don't wanna. I died, guys. Oh God, I died. It's lagging. This guys, let's try to get some good ones in legendary box. Oh, he won. I almost got the overseer, but I already own the elite. Oh God. What is? Let's pick a map, guys. Oh my God, I keep getting stuck. Oh, it's already got a map. I'm innocent again, guys. Let's hide here, guys. Oh, I fell. Let's try to explore. Oh, let's hide, guys. Oh, there's a clown knife. I'm flossing. I'm just gonna sit on my feet. Oh, how about that? Oh, dab. Trap. It's very loud outside, guys. Oh, is he gonna kill me? No, no. I think she was the maid. He was close to me, guys. Bye bye. That's it, guys.